Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your financial management with QuickBooks. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open QuickBooks and log into your account. Navigate to the dashboard to see your main financial overview. Choose the Sales tab to manage your income and track invoices. Click on Create Invoice to bill your clients for services rendered. Fill in the customer details and the items or services provided. Adjust the invoice date and payment terms as necessary. Save and send the invoice to your client directly from QuickBooks. Next, go to the Expenses tab to manage your outgoing costs. Click on New Transaction and select Expense to record a new expense. Input the vendor details and the amount spent. Categorize the expense to keep your records organized. Make sure to attach any relevant receipts for better tracking. Now, access the Reports section to review your business performance. Select the Profit and Loss report for a clear view of your income versus expenses. Customize the date range to get insights for specific periods. Check the balance sheet for a snapshot of your assets, liabilities, and equity. Ensure that everything matches with your bank statements for accuracy. Utilize the budgeting feature under the Company section to set financial goals. Create a budget that reflects your expected income and expenses. Regularly review your budget to stay on track with your financial management. Finally, consider integrating QuickBooks with your bank accounts for real-time updates. This will help streamline your transactions and improve accuracy in financial tracking. Remember to back up your QuickBooks data regularly for security. And that's how you can optimize your financial management using QuickBooks effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.